Come on, Annie. You getting ready to go? Oh, Annie Oakley. Oh, oop, where'd she go? There she is. Call her over your way, because I can't.
Annie.
She's too quick for me.
Come here, Annie.
There's old Annie Oakley. You gonna say your goodbyes to us? Tell all the other doggies bye-bye. Tell Roxy bye-bye. There's Hera. Hera's gonna be having her puppies for too long. Keep calling her over.
Where, Annie?
I can't get her.
Get the big dog. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Annie, you gonna get the shoes again?
Let's play with Twinkie.
You don't get around Twinkie's babies. She don't like people around her babies. Annie, you're the last one to go. All your other sisters is all with their mamas and daddies. Your mama's waiting on you. She's waiting on you. Yep.
Annie.
Leave my toesy alone, Annie. There she is. Well, she'll be with her new mama today. Here in a little bit, gonna be heading out for the airport. All the other ones is lucky. Their mom and daddies came and got them, but her mama's too far away. So she'll be on the plane and boop, she'll be at her location before you know it. Annie, say bye-bye to all of them. You don't get to see them no more. You won't be playing with them. There's Annie. Here, you want to pick her up and I'll get her face. Go on, Annie.
Come here, tricky man.
Look at the camera. Mama's looking at you. Mama can't wait till she sees you. Annie. Let me see if I can focus in on her. There she is.
Let's play.
Yes, she does. Bye-bye, Annie.